Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's lesson is data types in a Java programming language. Every variable has a type, every expression has a type, and all types are strictly defined. Moreover, every assignment should be checked by the computer by the type of compatibility. Hence, Java language is considered as a strongly typed language. Data types is nothing. Data types are divided into the three categories. There are the numeric data types to represent the numbers and character data types to represent the characters. Boolean data type to represent the logical values. Here, numeric data types means to represent the numbers. There is a four numeric data types are there. Those are divided into the two categories. Integral data types is and floating point data types. Integral data types are byte, short, int, long, and floating point data types are float, double. Except Boolean and the character, all remaining data types are considered as a signed data types because we can represent both positive and negative numbers. Now, byte data type. The byte data type size is 1 byte. That means 8 bits. To store the byte value takes the 1 byte of memory or 8 bits of memory. The maximum value of the byte data type is plus 127 and the minimum value is minus 128. The range is minus 128 to plus 127. The most significant bit acts as a sign bit. 0 means positive number and 1 means a negative number. Positive number will be represented directly in the memory, whereas negative number will be represented in 2's complement form. I can show you an example. See here, byte B is equal to 10 and byte B2 is equal to 130. If you are declaring byte B2 is equal to 130, Java compiler gives an error, possible loss of precision. Why? Because byte maximum value is 127 only, and also byte B is equal to 10.5 because byte minimum value is 128. Here byte B is equal to, for example, Durga. It is an incompatible type. Why? Because byte data type is best suitable if we are handling the data in terms of streams, either forms the files or from the network. Next is short data type. The most rarely used data type in Java is short. Size is 2 bytes. The range of this short data type is minus 3 to 7682 plus 3 to 768. That means minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. If you show the example, short s is equal to 130. It is good. Next, short s is equal to 32768. It is a possible loss of precision. Why? Because the maximum value of short integer is 32767 only, not 32768. Short data type is best suitable for 16-bit processors like 8086, but these processors are completely outdated and hence the corresponding short data type is also outdated. Next data type is int. This is the most commonly used data type in Java programming language. The size of int data type is 4 bytes. Range is -21474836482 to 21474836447. That is minus 2.31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Here, example, int I is equal to 130. Int I is equal to 10.5. It is a possible loss of precision. Why? Because the I minimum value is -21473836448. And next example is int I is equal to 3. That is an incompatible type. That is the problem. Next, next data type is long. Whenever int is not enough to hold the big values, then we should go for long data type. Example, to hold the number of characters present in a big file, int may not be enough. Hence, the return type of length method is long. The size of the long is 8 bytes. Range is 2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. All the above data types, byte, short, int, and long, can be used to represent the whole numbers. If we want to represent the real numbers, then we should go for the floating point data types. Floating point data types are float and double. If you go with the float, if we want to 5 to 6 decimal places of an accuracy, then we should go for float. The size of the float data type is 4 bytes. The range of the float data type is 3.4e382 to 3.4e38. Sorry, minus 3.4e382 to 3.4e38. The next floating point data type is double. If you want to 14 to 15 decimal places of accuracy, then we should go for double. The size of the double data type is 8 bytes. The range of the double data type is -1.4e3082 plus 1.7e308. Next is Boolean data type. There is no size for the Boolean data type. Why? Because virtual machine Boolean data type is a virtual machine dependent. Range is also not applicable, but allowed the values are true and false. I can show you one example. Boolean b is equal to true. Why? Because Boolean accepts only true and false. And next, Boolean b is equal to true. Here, T is a capital. That is, cannot find symbol. Means Boolean accepts small lowercase letters true and false. And Boolean b is equal to true. Here, true is an string, that is an incompatible type. Boolean b is equal to 0. This is also an incompatible type. Next data type is char data type. In Java, we are allowed to use any worldwide alphabet characters, and Java is Unicode based to represent all these characters. One, one byte is not enough. Compulsory, we should go for 2 bytes. The size of the character data type is 2 bytes. The range is 0 to 65535. Here I can show you some examples. Char ch is equal to 97, and also char ch2 is equal to 65536. Here possible loss of precision. Why? Because the maximum value of the character is 65535 only, but here 65536. That's why it is a possible loss of precision. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.